So, a very warm welcome to the students of 10th standard. A fresh week with fresh mind. Last we have done the entrepreneurship, that is from business studies. So, business studies 2 chapters we have already finished it up, and now today we will start off with geography. This one, this is also a unit in your total social. So geography, the first chapter is India. India means our country, and what today we will just go through the position and extent. This is the full chapter. In this chapter we will learn about what is the position of India on the global map and extent from where to where it is India, which is the last point, like this. Okay, geographically we will think it of. So first one is the location, where this India is coming. Okay, India is located within northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, now you will tell what is hemisphere. I will tell you one thing. Suppose this is our Earth. Okay, the equator or line of 0° latitude divides the Earth into two halves. They are northern and southern hemisphere. Actually, if this is the Earth, a 0° line, these are all imaginary line. Okay, these are imaginary line on the map only to make a location of it. Okay, this is known as equator. Okay, and equator is always 0°. And what happened now? Suppose this is the Earth. Okay, and it has divided it into two parts. Okay, so upper part will be northern, north, and down is always south. So this upper part is northern hemisphere, while the down part is southern hemisphere. So the equator, what divides our Earth into two parts, upper part is northern hemisphere and the down part is southern hemisphere. Actually there are 4 hemispheres: north, south, here it will come east, here it will come west. But here what they are telling, India is located within northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, northern and India is located within this northern and southern. Next is India is a peninsula. What is a peninsula? Peninsula is, I think you people have already gone through it in your previous class, then also I will tell you. See, this peninsula, it is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on 3 sides and one side with land. Suppose this is our India. Okay, one part like this, it is having land, and other these 3 parts, they are having only water bodies, means the oceans what we are having. Like, what are the oceans we are having? Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, okay, Indian Ocean. So all these are surrounding the India from 3 sides, but one side, that the part where we are getting China, Pakistan, that side, one side, it is not having any water bodies like that. And it is not that only 3 places, 3 sides are surrounded with water. For India it is peninsula. There are lots of peninsula in the world. Those places which are surrounded with water bodies. Water bodies means ocean, seas on its 3 sides. But one side there is no sea. Like that part only we are telling it as peninsula. It extends from, it means it is India. India extends from 8° 4" to 36° 6" north latitude and from 68 degree 7 inch to 97 degree 25 inch east longitude. Okay, now this is longitude. Longitude means the top and bottom of map refers to the longitude. See, if this is a country, okay, when we will go like this, this is this, see, this one and this one we can divide. Okay, when we are dividing it like this is known as latitude, and when we are sizing a country this way, then it is longitude. Okay, longitude. So here what they are telling, here see, this is very critical. This is critical means only this point, that degree to what degree it extend. You have to remember this. Okay, India's latitudinal extent is Indira Point in the Nicobar Island. Here I have written Indira Point. See, India at the bottom, okay, the extreme of the south, we will get Andaman and Nicobar Island. That is not a state, that is an island, and that is a union territory of India, whatever it is. But in the south extent means almost to the last part of south, in Nicobar Island, one place is there which is known as Indira Point. Okay, that is the last of India in the Nicobar Island, Indira Point. Same on the top, you go for Jammu and Kashmir, there also there must be a place which is the last. After that our country ends. That is known as Indira Col. Okay, COL, Col. That is the extreme point in the north of India. That is the last point. So south it is Indira Point, and in the north it is Indira Col. Next is the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country and 82 and half degree east longitude in the central meridian of India. What is this Tropic of Cancer? It is the most southern latitude on the earth where the sun can appear directly. This is also a line, okay, which helps us to make a view of the position of any country. These are all imaginary lines. The Indian Standard Time is based on this longitude. Okay, this longitude is there. Indian Standard Time, there are two times. One is Greenwich Mean Time. It means GMT. Okay, so that is Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time means this is the world time. But India is having a time that is known as what is that? IST. Okay, Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time, now I will tell you the difference what is there. That is world time. But India is having a time. It differs from country to country. When it is suppose 6 o'clock in India, it is 6, not 6, it is 5:30 in Bangladesh. Okay, so the time when it is day in India, it is night in USA. So the time also will differ from one place to another. Okay, so now we will go for the extent of our country, Niladri. Sorry, the extent of our country, India. Okay, what is India? How many countries are there in the world? There are 195 countries in the world. Out of that, India is the 7th largest country. India is the 7th largest country, and the main largest country in the world, it is Russia. Okay, after Russia it is Canada, then China, then USA, Brazil, Australia, and then it is India. Okay, so we are having also 7 continents, and of these 7 continents, we are having what we are having. Asia is a continent and our country India is one of those country. Asia is having all total 47 countries in it. Total area of India is 32,87,623 kilometers square. It is only 2.42% of the world total area. If we count the whole area of the world, India occupies only 2.42%. The east to west extent of India is over. See, from east to west, if you go from, this will be east. These measures for our country, it is 2933 kilometer. And if you are going like this, that north exact point, that is what I told you, Indrakol. From Indrakol to here last, it is Indra Point. If you do like this, this is 3214 kilometer, means this is the length of India. Okay. So for today only we will focus on location and extent. In the next video we will proceed with the frontiers and neighboring countries and administrative divisions of India. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.